Hi, I'm Dustin Brewer, and I will be talking about 2.0 tools slash mobile apps for Canvas today. Getting logged into Canvas here, I got logged in, and it's going to take me to this home page here. We use it for my health classes, so I already have a bunch of stuff on here, but I'm going to take you through how to use it and how to get set up and everything. So I'm going to go to courses and groups here, and we're just going to click on Health Education 2014-2015, and this is going to come up. So at the bottom here, it has every step that you need to get it set up, which is pretty awesome. Makes it a lot easier. You can just kind of go through the steps and do all this. Um, One of the first things is getting the content into it. So for my classes, I've used this before, so I can import the content by just clicking that, and it'll come up and it'll say, let's just go ahead and click that so you can see it. And you can click on previous sections, copy a Canvas course that you've already done. So as soon as you set it up in the first place, you can go back and just copy that course again and take it over for the next year, which makes it really easy to use. If you don't have it, if you've never used it before, you can go in and just add it through a zip drive or add it manually too. It gives you a bunch of different uses here and ways to set it up, which is nice. As you can see, I used my summer class to copy it over, and so all my course content is inputted already. And there pops up the steps once again, and it'll keep popping up until you get through all the steps that you need to do. As you can see, the ones that are highlighted are the ones I haven't done yet, and the ones that are in gray here I've already done. So next step from here, after you've added the content, you can go and look, click modules, and here's my content here, my units. Just kind of scroll down here and you can look everything. You can click on these. Shows the PowerPoint that we're going to use for class. Go through here, make sure this is what I want. Looks good. Say I want to change something. Let's go down to the bottom here. I can click on this. That is to download. So if I want to download the whole packet right there, I can. Let's go back to modules. Just try to get to something that I want to edit. Okay, so here it comes up, just says submit your project here. If I want to edit that, I hit click edit. I can go in, I can write anything I want in there. I can put in videos, Twitter responses, tweets, movies, any of that I can put in there. I can add into the clip. I can change the points, display the grades if I want to. Any of this stuff I can change, online options. For this assignment, I'm requiring peer reviews, so as soon as they get going on the projects and they get them done, then we're going to go back and they're going to have to do 2 peer reviews, one for this one and it gives it a date and a time that has to be turned in by. This is for everyone, so if I want to change it and just make it just for that, Health Education 2014, pretty much the same. My due dates, and then over here I can make it available from here until then. And then if I make changes, I can notify the group that I made a change so they can go and look at it. Okay, so that's the modules that we set up. That's my content. And we go back and let's look at, I imported my syllabus into here. So I just put it right there so they can go back and check it anytime they need to. I can edit that up here too. And then I got a calendar over here that I can put due dates on so they know when things are due. Grades. I don't believe anything will show up yet. Yeah. So I have up top here all my units or all my assignments, and I can just go across. And once I get the student names in here, they'll be just down this left-hand column here, and I can go through and I'll just click on it, and I can bring their assignments up and grade them right there, and just go across and grade over how many I need to do. I can add in quizzes, collaborations if I want to, so I can get them in groups and then collaborate on things. People, this is how I add in students right here. That's my information. And then when I go into add, I'm just going to add people, and I believe it's click students, and then I can add them in just through their emails. So their emails are going to be right there. I'll add them in, click next, and it'll send an invite to them to the Canvas class, and they will accept it, and then they will be in the course. Assignments there, and then different settings I can use if I want. Can add a new section if I want. Navigating here through all the different uses on Canvas. These are some of the external apps through Canvas. That you can use. Makes it pretty easy to get around here. And there's featured options of just some of the stuff you can turn off and on, gradebook, and things like that. So overall, pretty easy to use. You get your tabs up here, settings, you can change your settings around. But overall, very helpful. Makes it great for our students, especially for online classes and regular classes that do a lot on computer. Really good for one-on-one initiative that we are doing right now. And hopefully this is helpful. And Web 2.0 tools. Thanks.